KTOS Stock analysis. What I'll be doing here is showing you my exact play with Kratos Defense Security Solutions. As we're sitting at 45 bucks with 85 cents. Bro, I'm looking to just double down on this, buy more, if that makes sense. Like, having done this for such a long time, like 42,000 videos over 5 years, documenting everything like no one else. I've seen what's printing me money and what's not, and more so, it's covered on this YouTube channel. You can check it out. Everything for 5 years. Unless I see it's just a small little correction and a double break, there's no way I'm looking to just double down on this and buy, right? I must see the rules, and only then I'm moving forward. And if not, it's Gucci. You know, not everything's supposed to be traded, if you know what I mean. KTOS, no receipts in the Discord, which is totally fine from my end. And yeah, just about being patient. But if you don't want to spend 5 years of your time and learn this literally 5 hours, click the first link in the description. Get the sauce, the risk-free sauce. It's like 1,200 people have gotten. Expires soon. See ya.